How to add a Microsoft account to your PC. Hey guys, today we're going to look at a step-by-step guide on how you're able to add multiple Microsoft accounts on your PC. Without any further delay, let's just jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to do is simply open up your settings. Now tap on the menu icon on the start menu and head over to settings. Once settings is open, on the left hand side, you want to find the account section. Just tap on it. And then once you get to account, scroll down here and go to email and accounts. Tap on that again, and you'll find all of your available accounts over here. Now, I only have one account, that's my main account available on this device. So I'll show you how you can add another accounts. This is my main account. Now, if you want to add another Microsoft account, you can just go ahead and click on Add a Microsoft account. Then it will open up this menu where you have to enter your Outlook email. So I'll just go ahead and enter my email address. And once you do that, tap on Next. Now just go ahead and select what is your login method. You can either use password, email directly over here, and you could use face, fingerprint, or security key. I'll just use my password over here. And once you enter your password, you just have to wait for a bit, and it's going to sign you into your account. And as you can see here in the background, you can already see the account. So just go ahead and tap on Next. Seems like something went wrong, but your account has successfully been added. Now you could also switch over to your account from here. So if you tap on the user and then click on sign out, you can easily switch accounts from over here. And that is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.